hit me. Do not put your butt in people's faces. Wow. Boo. No. She's laughing at everything. Trying to copy off of me now. I love you. Last time she hit me, she was like,
I mean, she's been making that face a lot today.
don't hit me.
Don't hit Sissy in the face.
Yeah. Don't hit me.
Don't make her do that while she's eating. She might choke. Did she just kick you? Oh, now she's getting you. What are you doing? Don't talk with your mouth full. All right.